Attention business owners, local customers are looking for you. Right now, online. Are you there? The internet is now the #1 resource for finding local business information. And it's not just about having a website. Local business listings. 97% of customers search for local businesses online. Video marketing. YouTube has passed over 3 billion views a day. Social media. If Facebook were a country, it would be the 3rd largest population in the world. Mobile marketing. 90% of text messages are read within 3 minutes of being delivered. Online classifieds. Craigslist is one of the top 10 most visited viewed sites in the U.S. Be found where potential customers are looking for your products and services. Local online marketing is within your reach, and it's more affordable than you may think. Download your free report and discover the 5 mistakes local business make when advertising online. Don't wait. Make it easy for new customers to find you today.